Hi guys, here is how you can fix FFmpeg not installed. Now I have created a simple downloader Python file. Let me quickly run it. I'm using Anaconda. Activate the environment and navigate to the folder. And let's try to open the Python file. So let me open the URL, control and click on it. And let me try to download it. FFmpeg is used to merge audio and video, so let's see if it is working or not. So it says FFmpeg is not installed. Now to fix this, first try with pip. Press Ctrl+C to go back to the command. Pip install FFmpeg. You can also use conda install FFmpeg. So it is done. Now let's try to run it again. I can refresh this and try to check it again. So you can see I get the same error, FFmpeg is not installed. Let's fix this manually by installing it. Go to Google and search for FFmpeg download. This is the one, click on it, and I'm downloading it for Windows. Click on Windows Builds by BTBN and download it for Windows 64-bit. So the download is complete. Let me open the zip file. Let me close this all. And I will extract it to the desktop. It is here. I will rename the folder to FFmpeg. Let me move it to my working folder. Please note, if you are only using FFmpeg for a particular project, then you can add it in the same folder and make sure not to delete it. But if you want to use FFmpeg for other projects too, then copy it to C drive so it's more easy to manage. But make sure it's not deleted, and this will work for all other environments too. Anyway, let me open this and open this bin folder. Copy the URL. And on the start menu, type environment variables. This is the one, open it. Click on environment variables. Highlight path and click on edit, new and Ctrl+V. Basically, we are adding the location to FFmpeg. Again, if you added it to C drive, copy the exact location here. So this is done. OK, OK, and OK. So this is all done. Now close the Anaconda and again open it. Open Anaconda prompt. Activate the environment. Navigate to the folder. And try to run the application. Control and click on the URL or copy paste the URL to the browser. And let's download this. And now this is working all good without any issues. So this is how you can fix FFmpeg not installed. Thank you very much.